This is what from West Coast Custom Chainsaws, and it's a ratchet wrench, more or less. So it has the size for steel, okay, and it ratchets, you know, that'll be nice. And also has the same size, I don't remember the millimeters, but this fits the Husqvarna's. So I figured I'd try that. I got about a half a tank of gas left in this. I think somewhere around a half. Yeah, about half. Poplar, because it's a little lighter. I mix it in with the hardwood, kind of get the stove warmed up.